Okay, so this is good. We have our CAPTCHA all set up, but a CAPTCHA is really only part of the story. Like I mentioned before, there are a couple of things that we can do just by using some out-of-the-box modules in order to further protect our forms. The two main strategies we're going to use here are the honeypot method and the timegate method. Both we can get with the honeypot module. Now there are a couple of other modules that include the honeypot technique, like botcha, hidden CAPTCHA, and spamicide, but honeypot seems to have the most basic configuration. It's pretty straightforward, and you pretty much just have to turn it on. So the idea behind a honeypot is really simple, but also really cool. When we look at a form, you see that there's multiple fields. We have your name, subject, comment. And as a human, we're going to go in and fill these out and submit the form. Now, if we add a couple of fields that humans can't see, but bots can because they're just scanning the source code of the site, so basically a field or two that's hidden using CSS, then when humans come to the site and fill this out, they're not going to fill it out because they're not going to see it. But when bots fill out the form, they'll see it and try to fill it out with something. And so during the validation process, honeypot will check to see if those form elements were filled out, and if they were, it'll say, hey, it looks like you're a spam bot, so please leave us alone, or something to that effect. So that's honeypot. The timegate method is the idea that it takes a human a certain amount of time to fill out a form. They're not going to be filling it out instantaneously. It'll take at least, 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. And so what we do is then say that if a form gets filled out faster than that in a second or two, then we're going to assume that that's probably a bot because humans don't move that fast. So these are two pretty simple mechanisms, but they're fairly effective as well. So we're going to go through the process of enabling them.